What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create WooCommerce Bundle Products, okay? So a product that can give a discount for a couple of other products of your shop, of your online e-commerce, of your store. And how to do this in your WordPress website for free using WooCommerce. First of all, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet on site's favor. So let's get this started. Very first, it's set up WooCommerce and create your products, okay? Into this point, okay? We're gonna start at this point. If you don't know how to do this, no worries, just go to YouTube and search for Visualmodo WooCommerce. We're gonna find our playlist full of tutorials explaining how to do every single part of your shop and start selling on WordPress, okay? After you have your products, your prices all set up, you're gonna go to your products from the WordPress left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over products and click on add new, okay? We're gonna create a new product. And for this product, we're gonna type the title, can be just like this, okay? A bundle. We're gonna type the description right here, okay? You can type anything that you want. You can type the short description. We can set a regular price and a sale price. And now, review and pay attention to this part. Product data, okay? Right here, we can see the product types. Simple, grouped, external, variable. We're gonna use a grouped product, okay? We can use the SKU to organize your stock, and on linked products into this tab right here, we can see the grouped products. Now, what you're gonna do? You're gonna go to your shop, to your products, right here, just like this, and you're gonna search, for example, imagine that I would like to make a bundle that gives this product. I'm gonna copy the product title, post right here, select it. This product, copy the product title, post right here, select, and this product, copy the product title, post right here, and select. So this bundle right here, called the Nutri Bundle, gives you this free products, okay? Now, important thing, enter a product image that represents that it's a bundle, okay? For example, a conjunction of 3 pictures. I don't have it right here, but I'm gonna use this one as an example, okay? So this is my bundle product image. Enter with the product category. I recommend that you create a new category, call it bundle, just like this. Enter a new category. All done. And you are good to go. All you have to do now is publish your product. You're gonna be able to see a product just like any other product on your store. However, you're gonna be able to see it in bundles. So you're gonna be able to add quantities and other options into the product. But all good and working for you, and you can sell your bundles just like this. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our Borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site. Our Enzo WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Our Growth.net platform, a place that connects advertisers and publishers, so submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. If the case that you want to promote your site, you can go to sites.gallery to promote your app, your game, your landing page. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click for any business style that you want. In addition to premium blocks, themes, plugins, templates, tools, icons, widgets, blocks, and our full support. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!